Hey, this is Jimmy with Jackson Cedar Pressure Washing here. We specialize in cleaning exterior surfaces, and one of our services is roof cleaning. So, does your roof have black streaks on it? If so, please watch this video because we can help. We apply a low pressure solution to your roof. You can think of it as a shampoo for your roof, but it removes those black streaks and you get a new looking roof without paying the cost for a new roof. Know you're probably wondering, what actually are those black streaks on my roof? Well, those streaks are cyanobacteria that's living and feeding on the shingles of your roof, and it's damaging your roof over time. So, what will end up happening is you having to replace your roof sooner than what you normally thought you would. Now, this may sound like a simple process, but it's important that this is done the right way so that you don't end up damaging your roof and voiding the warranty on it. So, if you have black streaks on your roof and you're looking to get them removed, give Jackson Cedar Pressure Washing a call or text at 573-340-5401. I'd love to get you guys fixed up. This is Jimmy signing out. Peace.